I can't believe we're finally here. Dubai really is massive.
Yeah, and look at those skyscrapers. Do you think we'll find jobs quickly?
Welcome to Dubai. Where are you heading?
Downtown, please. We just arrived for work opportunities.
Do you think it's easy to find a job here?
It depends. If you work hard and have skills, there are plenty of opportunities. Just be patient.
Look, that's the Dubai Mall and the fountain show.
We have to take pictures. These are memories we'll never forget.
This apartment is near the metro. Rent is 5,000 United Arab Emirates dirhams per month.
A bit expensive, but the location is perfect for commuting.
Does it come furnished?
Yes, basic furniture included. Utilities are extra.
Are you new here?
Yes, just moved in. I'm Sarah, and this is Ahmed.
Welcome. If you need help with bills or stores, I can guide you.
That's very kind of you. Thank you.
Let's check where the nearest supermarket is. We'll need food for the week.
And maybe a bank. We need to open accounts soon.
Hi, are you new here?
Yes. Any tips for newcomers?
Try the metro. The Friday market is amazing, and don't miss the Dubai Mall at night.
I applied to 3 marketing firms today. Fingers crossed.
I applied to 5 IT companies. Hopefully someone calls me. We should practice English for interviews. Some of the descriptions are tricky.
Good idea. Let's go over common phrases like, tell me about yourself.
Hi, you look new here. Are you visiting or moving?
We just moved. I'm Sarah, and this is Ahmed. We're looking for jobs.
Welcome. I'm Ali. I work in IT here. If you need any tips or help, let me know.
That's very kind. We're still figuring out the city.
And the market is incredible. So many spices. What's that one?
Saffron. It's expensive, but worth it. You'll also find great dates here.
We should buy some to try. Maybe also for our families back home.
Do you know any good places to eat around here?
Yes! There's a small restaurant behind that stall. Best shawarma in the area.
Shall we go try it?
Absolutely.
I applied to 5 IT companies online. No replies yet.
Same. Marketing positions are competitive. Some require experience I don't have.
Don't worry. Networking is very important here. I can introduce you to some contacts in IT and marketing.
That would be amazing. Thanks.
Yes. Any advice for interviews?
Practice simple English phrases. For example, I am excited to contribute to your team. Or, I have experience in...
Ali, do people usually ask technical questions in the first interview?
Yes, sometimes. But mostly HR checks your communication and attitude first.
Good to know. I'll prepare a short self-introduction in English.
We should practice together now.
Good morning. You are here for the marketing interview?
Yes, at 10 a.m.
The HR manager will see you shortly. Take a seat.
Deep breath. I can do this.
Hello, Sarah. Can you tell me about your previous experience in marketing?
Yes. I worked at a digital marketing agency for 2 years. I managed campaigns for social media and email marketing.
Impressive. How do you handle tight deadlines?
I prioritize tasks and communicate with my team to ensure everything is completed on time.
Great. When can you start if we offer you the position?
As soon as possible. Ahmed, I think it went really well. They might offer me the job.
That's fantastic. I'm proud of you. Let's celebrate after work.
Ahmed, tell us about your programming experience.
I have 3 years of experience in Java and Python. I've worked on web applications and automation projects.
Good. Can you solve this coding problem?
Works on a laptop. Writing code confidently.
Excellent. When can you join our team?
Excellent. When can you join our team? Sarah, I think it went well. They offered me the job.
Amazing. Looks like Dubai is already welcoming us.
Hi, I'm Rania. Welcome to the team.
Hi, I'm Ahmed. Nice to meet you.
Don't worry. I'll show you around and help with your first project.
Thanks, I really appreciate it.
Hi, Rania. I'm Jamal. Let me introduce you to the team.
Hi, Jamal. Nice to meet you all.
We have a team meeting at 11 a.m. I'll help you prepare. Ahmed, can you update the code for the project by tomorrow?
Sure, I'll start right away. Do you want me to test it on staging first?
Yes, that's perfect. Thanks. Sarah, can you prepare a report on last month's social media campaigns?
Yes, I'll finish it before the team meeting.
Don't forget to include engagement statistics.
Got it. Thanks for reminding me. How's your first week?
Busy, but I'm learning a lot. Meetings, reports, and coding tasks. And English at work is a challenge.
Same here. I keep practicing phrases with colleagues. Everyone is friendly though.
Ali said it takes time to adjust, but we're doing well.
I invited a few friends so you can meet locals and expats. Networking is key here.
Hi, I work in finance. How's Dubai treating you so far?
Amazing, but still adjusting to the pace of the city.
We love the food and markets. The city is lively.
I'm glad you're settling in. We usually go hiking on Friday morning if you want to join.
That sounds fun. Count me in.
Me too. Wow, the view from Burj Khalifa is incredible.
I've never seen a city like this. Everything is so modern.
It's not just the buildings. Dubai has a mix of cultures, food, and traditions.
I want to try local dishes. Maybe we can eat at that food stall?
Yes, let's do it. Also, I want to take some pictures for my family.
I spent 2 hours today on visa paperwork. It's confusing.
I had the same issue last month. Government forms can be tricky.
Don't worry. Always double-check documents and ask for help if needed.
I'm glad you told us. It would have been stressful alone.
And English is still challenging sometimes, but I feel more confident than before.
Me too. We've improved a lot in just a few weeks.
New opportunities come to those who seek them.